Hello guys, this is Ron Tips. Today I show you how to change font on YouTube Shorts. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Alright, open YouTube and click on plus, start recording, stop recording, and click on accept and click on text, write, and click on top side, heavy, hardwing, top wire, meme, fun, light, classy, YouTube sounds. Okay, click on heavy. Click on A. Click on left corner. And click on done or change color. Click on done. Zoom in, zoom out, change position, two finger your screen. Alright, that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye.